Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Gala price update, and the current price for Gala is at the $0.28 mark, and what I have on the screen is the daily chart, and we are continuing seeing lower prices for Gala. That is what is happening at the moment, and from this high that is over here on the $84 mark, the market is down by 67%. And what I have on the screen is that there is this descending channel that I have over here, which has been well respected, and at some point we broke above it over here, so we had a breakout to the upper side of this channel. Then I also have an Elliott wave, having my wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, which took us to this low that we have on the $0.15 mark. Then a wave 4, which went up to the $0.39 mark in the breakout that we had, the recent breakout that we had, and I expected the wave 4 not to reach the $0.42 mark, and you can see that happened because we went up to the $0.39 mark, and from there we started having lower prices in our wave 5. So some of the key expectations that I expect to see on this chart are that we will continue having lower prices, which we are seeing at the moment. Also, given the fact that Bitcoin is selling off, I think Gala has not yet decoupled from BTC, so if we have another sell-off for BTC, it will definitely have a sell-off also. So my key scenarios that I expect to see this wave 5 are that we continue having lower prices and hit this support that you have on the $0.15 mark, and if that support does not hold, we unlock even lower prices, and that will be in our wave 5. And once that happens, we can find support around the $0.05 mark, the $0.01 mark, and from there we can then have a build up to the upper side, and that move should take us to an all-time high. So that's my key scenario that I expect to play out, and this key scenario has a high probability of happening, and that's not financial advice, because basing on the fact that BTC might be on another sell-off, this is very likely to happen. And also know that maybe I might be wrong, that we have an Elliott wave over here, and that we are moving down in our wave 5, but we can continue seeing lower prices and maybe hit the support that we have over here on the $0.15 mark. And basing on the fact that this is a key support that gave us support at this point over here, and we had a bounce back, the same thing might happen over here. We might come down to this support, have support over there, and then we bounce back to the upper side. So that's a very likely scenario over there, and once that happens, I expect us to break above this resistance that we have on the $0.44 mark, and once we break above it, have a retest of that zone, and once we have that retest, then we can unlock higher prices and maybe beat this all-time high that we made on the $0.84 mark. So those are my two key expectations. Also, looking on the daily RSI, we are around the $50 mark, so maybe we can have a divergence either to the lower side or to the upper side, so that will depend on how the market plays out. And so let's be patient and see how the market plays out. I'll keep you updated, so make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell.